Ready to see some tiny heroes take on a big bad bully? Meet Squeaky, the tiniest mouse in the house, living under the rule of Mr. Whiskers, the grumpiest, ugliest cat you've ever seen. Mr. Whiskers thinks he's the king of the castle, bossing poor Squeaky around, but little does he know Squeaky's had enough. With a squeak of rebellion, Squeaky rallies his mousy pals. They hatch a plan so clever, even a cat couldn't see it coming. First, they distract Mr. Whiskers with a trail of catnip. While he's busy sniffing around, Squeaky and the mice team up to create a cheese catapult. Boom! Cheese flies everywhere, and Mr. Whiskers is left looking like a mozzarella monster. The mice cheer, high-fiving with their tiny paws. They've taken back their home. So next time you feel small, remember Squeaky and his brave buddies. Even the tiniest mouse can make a big difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic adventures. See you next time.